So this method is new and it's working and it's awesome. It has to do with watching videos and making money. If you have had access to different methods of making money whilst watching videos, well, this is a new method and it's really awesome, and I've decided to share this with you. Now, what you need to do is watch the video all the way to the end, because I need you to understand what it is about. I need you to understand what you'll be doing. I need you to understand how it works. So don't skip through the video. Just make sure you watch it all the way to the end so that you understand what you're doing. It's absolutely free to do. You don't pay any money to do this, and it's available worldwide. So if you're in Africa, you can get access to this. If you're in America or Europe or Australia or Asia, South America, we can all get access to this opportunity. And you can decide to do this on your phone or on your computer. I prefer to do this on my computer because it's better. And well, before I show you this method, please just subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Just click that subscribe button, that red button that says subscribe. It's absolutely free to subscribe. You don't have to pay any money to subscribe at all. And turn on the notification bell. Click that bell so that every time I have a new video for you, you will get a notification. So what you want to go on to is a website called PTC Share. Now, before you try this out by yourself, let me explain to you what it is about so that you understand what you're doing. So PTC Share, as you can see over here, is more than just a pay to click. Tons of ways to earn money for free. So tons of ways to earn money for free. Well, it's not about tons of ways. I'm going to show you 2 methods to make money here that are going to actually work for you so that you don't waste your time, okay? As you can see over here, there's banners and there's ad views. So you can get paid to click on banners, ads, ad banners, which means that banners that are ads, which I'll show you now, and you can get paid for ad views, which are ads that play through videos. Now, let me explain how it works. For example, let's check this out. You'll see a website like this that they can provide to you. This website, when you scroll all the way down, you will see something like this that says ad in this corner over here. Now, this is what we call a banner. You see this word banner over here? This is the banner. So what you need to do is you need to click on this banner and it should take you to a different page. Now, all you need to do is you need to stay on this page for 30 seconds. Just stay on here for 30 seconds and you get paid. Now, you don't get paid much. You usually get paid like $1 or $2. But trust me, for just clicking on that and making $1 is absolutely great. Stop trying to look for $10 for doing something so simple. It doesn't make sense. I mean, it wouldn't make sense to anyone. It doesn't make sense to me. But if it's like, okay, just click on that and you get paid $1 or sometimes 50 cents for just clicking on that and staying on here for 30 seconds. Imagine you could just do that throughout the day and end up with $50. It's beautiful. I love it. So hold on, I'm going to show you the method of watching videos, but I just decided to share this bonus as well with you because it's really awesome. So they would usually just take you to a website. Now, you will always scroll down and just check for a different banner. Wherever you see a banner ad, over here we have an ad. So you would click on that and it will take you to a different page. Now over here, don't do anything. You don't need to sign up or anything. Just make sure you are here for 30 seconds and you're going to get paid some money. Usually it's $1. As you can see over here, People are getting quick $1, quick $1, quick $1. And let me show you a payment proof over here of people who are actually making quick money. So this is a payment proof of people who, some people make $4, $1. So there's tons of pages of different kinds of people who make money. Sometimes it's only $1, $4, $1. So it's quick money that you can make. Now you can do this throughout the day. So if you do this throughout the day, that's when you make big money, because the accumulation of doing that repetitively throughout the day is what is going to bring you some reasonable amounts of money. So for example, now if you want to do with the watching of the video ads, the videos, they're going to take you to a platform like this called Hideout TV. Now all they want you to do is basically just watch a video like this, and they're going to pay you like $2 maximum. I'm not going to tell you, oh, they're going to pay you $20 for watching. No, per video is usually like $2, $3 max if you're lucky, if you're really lucky. But trust me, why are you looking for big amounts of money when you're basically not really doing anything? Somebody put time and effort in making the video. At least just watch the video and make some small money. And it's really cool, because all I have to do is watch the video and make money. So you can be like me and just sit there and just watch videos and just make those small amounts of money, those $2, $3, $1, $2, $3. At the end of the week, you end up with like $200 just for watching, videos. So I mean, this is for people who are in desperate need of, that small quick money, that small cash, that quick money. If you're looking for that big amount of money, like those $500 a day, $300 a day, you need to watch my other videos. But in this method right now, it's just for those who are in desperate need of just that quick cash, quick cash, not a lot of cash, but quick cash, where you can just be watching videos and just be earning that extra $3, $5, $3, $2, $1. Yeah, I hope you get what I'm trying to tell you. So to do this, you need to create an account, click on register now. Just want to put in your username, your password, repeat your password, email address, repeat your email, click on I'm not a robot, and click on create account. Absolutely free, very easy to do. And this website's really awesome. You can see over here already the amount of cash that the members have cashed out already. It's a lot of money. The amount of users that are registered already, 319,000. So it's a big deal. So as you can see, it's a great platform, different methods to get your money. There are different methods that you can use to get your money, and it's secure. They say the website is supported by a high quality secure system, which makes sure all your information remains safe. Now, all I have to tell you here is that I'm not concerned about it being secure or not secure. I'm just concerned about making sure that I make that small amount of cash repetitively. If I can be watching videos and make sure that I get that money, I'm fine. As long as the money gets to my hands, I'm good. I'm not here to tell you that, hey, it's secure and all that. No, I'm not here to do that. I'm here to tell you that you're going to make small amounts of money repetitively, and you can make a lot of money if you do this a lot throughout the day. If you like this, please give this video a like right now. Subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. If you haven't already, please just click that red button that says subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. And please, I have a playlist on my channel. I have a playlist. So go and check out my playlist on how to make money online. different videos that can help you to make more money online. So if you combine like three different methods or 4 different methods together, you can make a lot of money in one day. So this is what I wanted to share with you today. I hope it helps you. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please comment your questions down below right now. Comment your questions. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and cheers.